Part 3. You will hear a student talking to a tutor at her college about the possibility of changing her course. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 24. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 24. Excuse me, Professor. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yes, do come in. So you're Sally Lehman?
That's it.
You want to discuss with me changing courses, right?
Yes.
All right. What course are you doing at present, Sally?
It's economic history.
Okay. And when did you begin this course?
Let me think. It was last September.
Right. Good. Before we talk through all your problems with the course, I want to know what courses you'd like to change to.
Well, there are several courses that I've thought about, but my first choice would be politics.
Oh, it's one of the most popular courses in our college.
Yes, I know. So it means there might not be places available.
That's right. I'll still make a note of that, but it's better to give another option.
Well, I've thought of changing the course entirely to business studies, but then I realised it is new to me, so I think philosophy might be a better choice. Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 25 to 30. Now listen and answer questions 25 to 30.
Okay, that's useful to know. Then let's talk through any problems you've been having at the moment and see if there is any possibility for us to offer help. After all, with all the efforts that you've made already, it'll be a pity to give up the present course and completely start a new one.
Yes, I agree with that. I've learned something valuable about economic history.
Good. Well, let's talk about your problems. What do you think is your significant difficulty in the course?
Well, I have to say the biggest problem is that the lectures are difficult.
Okay. And have you tried something to overcome this problem?
Yes, I have. I tried recording the lectures because I couldn't follow what the lecturer said.
Yes, that's a good idea. And did you find it helped?
To a certain extent, but...
Well, recording is a good strategy, but I also advise you to take part in the discussion group with other fellow students to discuss the lectures and exchange ideas with them.
Yes, I've seen some of my classmates doing that. I'll ask them if I can join.
Good. I'm sure you'll find it helps. And any other problems?
Yes, the second problem is I think there aren't enough tutorials for this course.
Okay, I think you can talk to your tutor about this.
Yes, I did that, but the tutor is so busy that I must wait until she is available.
Why don't you try arranging meetings ahead of time?
Well, I can try this way.
Good.
But I suppose the thing that made me upset recently is my poor assignment grade.
Oh, the grade is an important issue.
Well, I think I've tried my best to achieve a good score. I did more background reading than before for the last assignment we just submitted.
Good. And did you feel that helped?
Oh, yes, I think so.
Well, I think you can try another strategy, which is to visit student services, which offer a lot of helpful advice on assignment preparation.
Oh, I've never heard about that.
I'll give you a booklet with details on this. You'll find it well worth trying.
OK, I'll certainly try it.
OK, that's all the problem. Well, I've made a record of our discussions and suggested strategies. Typically, we advise you to try out these suggestions for a short period and then come back to discuss the situation to see whether it is improved. If not, we will start considering alternative courses.
OK, when shall I come back?
How about in a month's time?
OK.
That will be on the 17th of February. How about 3:30 in the afternoon? Is that all right for you?
Yes, sure. And where shall I meet you?
I'm afraid I will be on leave at that time, but I'll leave this record to our senior advisor, and you will meet with him then in this office.
OK.
Good. That's it. Let's see whether things can improve, Sally.
OK. Thanks very much.
My pleasure. Bye.
That is the end of part 3. You now have half a minute to check your answers to part 3.